Nandito kami ni Gab sa market area ng Coronadal City. Kaharap namin ang landmark ng Coronadal City, ang tawag yan, Gab, roundabout.
Yeah, we're roundabout.
Kung saan makikita mo si General Paulino Santos na nakaharap sa Jensen. So that's it.
Guys, look. Look, guys.
Oh, look. What?
Sliding ball. Oh, what? A sliding ball. I don't want to fall a ball.
Today is Uyong's birthday. Kapag buhay pa si Uyong, bili sana tayo ng cake. Pero but Uyong is dead way back June 2, 2021. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 4 years nang nakaraan. Uyong will always be remembered as a cool guy. Hindi si Uyong madaling magalit. Storya lang. Sabihan ka lang niya. Tapos hindi rin demanding si Uyong. May sariling mundo. Tawa-tawa lang yun siya, Gab. Nung baby ka pa, magising yan si Uyong ng umaga, hilot-hilotin niya yung tuhod mo. Ganun lang si Uyong.
He laughed.
But he left because God allowed Uyong to die kasi time na ni Uyong. Yan man tayo sa mundo, pag time na natin, aalis na tayo. Hindi natin hawak yung ating buhay, hiram lang kasi ang buhay. So that's it.
Guys, look, that means don't let it back. The bag will explode.
If you will sit here, the bag will explode.
Yeah, the bug will explode. As you look, the bug explodes. You cannot sit in the back. That's why. That's wrong.
No, that's correct. That's an instruction that you cannot put your back here. You just stay here. You do not kick this part. Just stay here. If you kick and you put your back here, the bug will explode. Okay?
But never jump into the chair.
Yeah. Never jump on the chair.
That's bad.
That's bad. Okay.
That's wrong.
X, yeah.
That's the wrong place.
Now, if you see this kind of thing, red and slanting line like that, back slant, that means bawal.
And how about this? Is it circle?
Yeah.
Now.
Okay.
Straight line.
Yeah.
No jumping.
Okay. So, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Tahimik ang Coronadal sa ngayon. Magandang panahon namin sa Coronadal.
Guys. Come on, guys. I'll show you in the back. Okay, I'll get something, guys.
Sige.
We're gonna find something behind the back.
Still sleepy?
Guys, look what I found.
What is that?
It's a basketball.
Yeah.
That has black sides.
Oh,
Orange.
black lines.
Look.
and orange color.
Yeah, that's a basketball. I didn't play it later.
Okay.
And so, guys.
So bye-bye na guys. Kita nila.
Where's the spider die?
I don't know where's the spider. Okay. Next vlog natin, we will record something about religion na naman. Ang channel kasi natin is about our lives, buhay-buhay ng aming pamilya, tapos mga laag-laag. Yan ang channel natin. Di natin dinesign ang channel na ito para kung kanino man, pero para sa kasayahan ng natin. So kasama sa ating kasiyahan ang ating religion, syempre, Iglesia ni Cristo. So we're going to talk about it. Ano ang mga paniwala ng Iglesia ni Cristo mula sa Biblia.
Look at the back.
Okay.
Look, this is my favorite ball to play basketballs. But only one left. But it's an egg ball.
Okay.
It's
So,
the egg ball.
si Gab kasama din yan sa channel natin. Kasi lumabas si Gab. Nauna lang yung channel natin, then lumabas si Gab. Kaya naging kasama siya. Okay. Kasama din sa channel natin yung mga reaction videos. Oh.
We're laughing.
I'm laughing because I'm happy because he came out of this world.
You're not gonna laugh.
Tata is happy because Gab came out of this world. Gab was born on February 9, 2021. So
I don't want to laugh at you, Ty.
Oh, never put your foot there. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Gab is 4 years old now. See? Okay, let's go back.
I want to find something.
Ang ibang pinag-uusapan din natin sa ating channel ay mga reactions.
So
Reactions.
So big, Ty.
So mag-react tayo sa mga videos na nakikita natin sa internet. Mga fake news na nakikita natin sa internet. Katulad ng fake news against Iglesia ni Cristo. Mostly against Iglesia ni Cristo. We will try to explain it in our way para maunawaan ng mga tao kung ano yung Iglesia ni Cristo. Katulad nung Rally for Peace nung January 13. Sinasabi na ng Iglesia ito ay suporta sa peace, calling for peace, calling for unity.
They're the same black.
Okay. So ako naman So January 13, we're calling for peace, we're calling for unity. Pero fake news pa rin ang nilalabas ng mga tao. Sinasabi nila na we're supporting VP Sara Duterte. Hindi mo talaga mapigilan. Pero sa amin, we're just telling the world na hindi kami sumusuporta kay Sara. Ang rally na yun ay tinatawagan namin ang pansin ng mga mambabatas, lalo na sa Kongreso, sa Quadcom, na isagawa yung mga bagay-bagay na fair. Kung ano yung rule of law, yun ang ipatupad. So yun ang panawagan ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Sa katunayan nga, may mga kaibigan din kami na sa side ni BP Sara. Gusto sana nilang sumama pero iba yung naging activity nila. Meron silang walk for Sara at that time. Ngayon naman, nag-release ng bagong statement ang Iglesia ni Cristo. Dahil napapansin nila na yung batas, tinitwist na nila yung batas to suit them. So, yun, marami nang naglabasan, wala palang warrant of arrest, mga ganun. Hindi naman natin pwedeng i-explain yun dahil hindi naman tayo abogado. So, nakikinig lang tayo. May mga abogadong nagsasabi ng ganito, ganyan. May mga abogadong nagsasabi ng iba sa sinasabi ng ibang abogado. Pareho silang mga abogado, pero sino ang nagsisinungaling sa kanila? So, ang iglesia nag-release ng statement about it. Ang kini-question ng iglesia, kasi nandun ang batas. Merong Rome Statute, merong ibang mga batas pa. So, kung titingnan mo at pakikinggan mo, may tama talaga na side. Pero talagang ang kabilang side naman, patuloy sa pagsisinungaling, patuloy nilang tinitwist yung mga bagay-bagay. So it's good na nagsalita ang Iglesia ni Cristo, pero lumabas pa rin ang fake news. Ang kini-question ng Iglesia ni Cristo, yung batas, paano siya in-implement. Parating yun ang question ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Pero itong fake news na nakasulat naman na gusto daw ng Iglesia ni Cristo na pabalikin si President Duterte sa Pilipinas. Wala namang ganong statement. Ang sinasabi lang, kung ano ang sinasabi ng batas, yun ang i-implement. So, itong mga fake news na ito, hindi sila mapahinto-hinto. Pero hindi naman talaga kailangan pahintuin yung fake news. Kung ikaw yung concern, sagutin mo nang sagutin yung fake news. Hindi mo pwedeng isuppress. Yun ang kanilang pananaw, ang kanilang paniwala. So